Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Godzilla sucking in radiation. Yeah, this is basically a full face version, so like, it's going to be his face and he's sucking in some radiation, so yeah, it's going to be like that. I don't know if I'm actually even this video is going to work for me, because I do not, because you can barely even see anything on it too, so yeah, it's gonna be like I'm gonna have his snout first, like that. No, it's gonna be like that. It has to be low, kind of. So now it's gonna come up like this. And so from there, I'm gonna have the inside of his mouth right now. So like, now I'm gonna have like this part's gonna drop kind of, and this part's just gonna come in. And so now this jaw is gonna come down. So it's gonna be like that. And so it's gonna, fleshy thing's gonna be right there. We're gonna have his teeth. Like, so all this is gonna be like really glowing, because the radiation is like whatever he's sucking in is like it's really bright. So it's gonna be like that. You can see that probably well. So we're drawing his nostril, and so now it's gonna be like, this is gonna come back, and it's gonna come down, and I guess it's gonna like be like that, but more so. Yeah, is way too long, so I'm gonna shorten that up. So maybe about right there is good. And so yeah, I have it like that, so it's gonna be like that for now. So I need to zoom out a bit. No, I can't. Okay, so now next thing is I'm gonna have to like do his brow now. So it's gonna like, his brow is like really flat, but like I don't know I never really knew that well how to draw his brow. I just drew it differently than how it actually is. So his brow is like, it comes out at first, and then it's not really, I guess I could do it how I would do it, because there's no way this part, so it's like, yeah, so now it's like that, and I need to fix this because it's way too wide, and that part's too skinny, so down like that. And so right beneath that part, his eye's gonna be like really glowing. Like you're so able to see it. Yeah, it's just gonna look like that at this view. So like, it's actually kind of like side view. So like, you're gonna want to like make it like that, and then this other nostril is gonna be like right there. I have no clue how this goes, because like you cannot see anything. And first, I have to keep erasing, so I'm gonna like have this deeper in the face, because you know, if you've watched my channel before, you heard me say that before. Having the brow deep into the face makes it look like, you know, it's like, makes it look less dirty. And it's like, when you're drawing the radiation coming out, don't make it like a straight line, because like, it's not like atomic breath. It's like really wavy. It's not gonna be like as fast, of course. It's not gonna be like atomic breath, so it can't be this straight. And this is where I can go pictures. I'm gonna have to have an eye section. Yeah, so it's gonna be like that, and I'm going to it's gonna be like that, and I'm gonna come out like that, and have that right there. This is gonna come like that. And if you're hearing that, it's never mind. So now I'm gonna use a different pencil. So it's gonna be like that, and now I'm gonna have these coming back right there. And so after that, it's gonna have, I'm gonna have like that. And so what I'm gonna do is, I can't have that so high up. It has to be like deep down. You can't, it has to be down farther. And also for this brow, I have to do the same. It can't be that high up. It can't be puffy, so I'm gonna have to like make it farther down. So it's gonna be a bit more like that, but I don't want to make this look fat. So it's gonna be like that. And so yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I don't know why I drew that back. I don't want to make it look like I don't want to make the neck look fat. So yeah, that's better. So it's gonna be like that. And we can also have a little more spikes right there, right here. Yeah, so this picture is not, it never really, you know, look like the movie. It's just gonna be too hard to see. Like, so, when I do this thumbnail, it's like, I'm gonna have to like, make it look like it's glowing, because this does not look, whatever, so. It's gonna be like that. I'm going to draw like that. So. So yeah, that's the best I can do. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.